Welcome back to the departure brief. It is 4:30 p.m. The sun is shining. We are in Pushkar in India and we are just starting our hike now. We are hiking to Gayatri Mata Temple, which is apparently at the top of a mountain that will give us amazing sunset views, but we got to find it first and we got to get to it. Google Maps says 40 minutes from Zostel where we are staying. Not sure if that's 40 minutes to the trailhead or 40 minutes all the way to the top. That doesn't seem likely as it's apparently quite high. Let's go see. Are we being hunted? They just crossed the road. What do you do if a monkey comes to attack you? Let us know in the comments if you've ever experienced a monkey attack before.
Namaste.
Namaste.
How are you?
Good, thank you. How are you?
Good.
I think I do want chocolate. But I think we need something better than that.
These ones are good. We've had them many times.
Just deciding.
Shanti, Shanti. 1 hour, 2 hours, see. After take, no problem.
Alright. One for now, one for later.
Oh yeah. How much, sorry?
Only this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Thank you.
Welcome. Every time most welcome.
You alright?
Bug on my nose.
Oh, there's bugs everywhere, mate. What is it with Pushkar and insects, mate? They are everywhere. You'd even notice the people on their scooters as they're driving, they're just covering their mouths with whatever they have. That bugs are relentless. They don't bite you, they're just annoying. Just got one out of my ear. Anyway, we are fueled. Mars bars, popcorn in the bag. We're on the trek now. So in India, I think I've worked out that horn etiquette. Horn is either courtesy, saying I'm coming up beside you, don't get scared, or horn means get the F out the way. You're in my way. It's completely different to Oz and you just have to get used to it. And that's the example of I'm coming up beside, look out for me. Yo-ho! Alright, we're venturing into uncharted territory now, past this big fella. Wow. Big fella. We're going off Main Market Road now to start the hike. Is it that way or is it that way? I think it's this way. Google Maps, like, once you get in these narrow alleys, it doesn't really work well. Oh, is it up here? Far out. Alright, so we've come up there, that's that. That goes down and around. I reckon it's up here. Let's try it. Hello, gorgeous. Oh, sorry, the Gayatri Mata.
Yeah. Outside.
Yeah. Okay. Dhanyabad. Thank you. Okay. Thanks to that guy, we are heading closer to our goal. Down here and to the left.
You said right.
I know, just seeing if you're alert. I feel like we're in the residential area of Pushkar at the minute. Definitely. Always go when the locals go. So this is what you see in Pushkar beyond the restaurants and the cafes. Way to temple, where we go. Looks like it's about to get steep as. Look at this cactus. Where do you see that? I've never been to a desert. The walk actually isn't that hard at all. There's plenty of these sort of semi-flat bits that gives you rest to catch your breath. I'd say we're almost a third of the way up already. These higher bits are turning slightly rock scrambly where you really need to watch your step. Not so much for, I guess, where your foot goes in the grooves, but they're very sandy. So easy to slip off. Power lines, something I didn't think I'd see. At 20 meters and we're there. Again, it's a temple, but it's full of rubbish. And it's not like it could blow up here. People just leave it here. We made it.
Need some water.
I'll go up and have a look. Generally scared of going shoeless, so I'll see what she's missing. Made it to the top just in time. It looks like there's just 2 other travellers here and a local. This is the temple, but it was closed off. It only looks small, like a shrine sort of thing, but I don't really understand it and I don't have a guide, so I'm not going to go in there and film it. We came up here for the view anyway. Although the view has not disappointed.
The walk's lovely. It's so nice to get some exercise. The sunset's going to be beautiful.
Pretty incredible. What a view. I think it's mad. Like, you got the lake down there.
The lake's lovely.
The mountains, the standalone mountains, the sun that's going to come down right in the middle of everything.
Yeah, I feel like this part's really cool.
Considering it's only what, 20-25 minutes from like the main market road. If you don't make time to come up to at least one of these viewpoints, I feel like you really missed out in Pushkar.
Yeah.
And it's free, it's totally free. Alright guys, we're going to enjoy the rest of this sunset. Thanks for following along. Please subscribe to the channel and we'll see you next time.